Hey guys, welcome to Hudson's Games and stuff, and this is a video on all my electronic toys. Not games, toys. Like baby toys for really little kids. I used to have a bunch of these when I was little, but now I only have about 10 or so, I think. I used to have like 30, but now I have about 10 or so. And 2 of them don't work. The Infantino Movers and Shakers Puppy, I think that's what this one's called. It just has one button, and it's supposed to play a song and vibrate like crazy. I used to call it Shiver Puppy because of how it vibrates. But now it doesn't work. And the other one that doesn't work is the VTech Touch and Teach Turtle. See, it doesn't work. The first toy that I have that actually does work is the Hasbro Let's Rock Elmo. This is a really big toy. It takes 6 AA batteries. It's basically, looks a little bit like a person, but it has fur all over it and a t-shirt. It wears a t-shirt. There's a button on its foot that when I turn it on, it will make that button will make it play songs. I'm going to turn it on now. Oh, come on. Wait, am I supposed to... Oh. Okay. This one doesn't work either. Okay.
Sheet grabber. Half screen.
I'm gonna...
Button. Pause. Button.
I'm going to pause this recording while I put batteries in the next toy. Okay, so now suddenly that Elmo toy suddenly starts to work. Decided to work.
Let's rock! Oh-ho!
So it's really loud and annoying. I'm going to push the foot button.
Elmo wants to play the drums.
Okay, so I have the drums here.
Please give
What I
Elmo
do
the
is,
drums.
I know, I'm doing it. I'm coming. So I put the bottom of the drums under his foot. Or like there's a little piece. He's actually hitting the drums. You might be able to hear. He sometimes taps the drums. If you put him on top of this little piece. Okay, whatever. Anyways, there's this little piece.
Let's rock out on Elmo's drums.
Shut up.
What do you want to do?
And it just stopped. Anyways, so there's this little piece that comes out of like the drum. There's this little flat piece on the drum, and you put the toy on top of it. So there's this little button that it pushes that makes it that tells it that the drums are there. So yeah, that's a little bit of the Let's Rock Elmo. Now I'm going to pause the recording to put the batteries in the next toy because I don't have enough batteries for all these.
On. Button.
Okay, so the next toy is the Leapfrog Lettersaurus Dinosaur. I think that's what it's called. And sometimes it glitches like that.
Push a letter button.
So, oh my god, shut up.
Play music.
Okay,
Push a letter button.
so this has letter buttons, little tiny buttons, all across. It's supposed to be like a Stegosaurus, I guess. With the letter buttons as the spikes on its back.
Push a letter button.
I know. There's A, B, C, D, A through M on one side, and then N through Z on the other side. And then on its head is a button that plays
A, B, C, D,
the alphabet song. It's on music mode right now. So if I press A,
push 'em, roll.
it plays. Oh my gosh, come on.
Let's play music.
It plays songs.
Roll,
And sometimes it stops.
roll,
Oh my god, this is so annoying.
roll.
But then half the letters are broken.
Roar. Let's roar, 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 roar.
P won't even push.
Roar.
F through Q are all broken.
Play music. Push a letter. Roar, roar. Let's play music.
This thing is basically broken.
Roar, roar. Let's play music. Roar.
It won't work on any other mode but music.
Roar. Let's play.
Okay. I am so sorry about that one. That one is terrible. Well, it's not terrible, but it's really broken and not working at all. The next toy is the Fisher-Price cookie jar. It has 5 different shaped cookies in it, but I only have 4 of them. There's supposed to be a circle, triangle, square, heart, and star. But for me, I don't have the circle, so yeah.
Number time.
There's the number mode, where there's a song.
Here they are, 5 different shapes in my cookie jar. You can take them out, you can put them back. 5 little cookies make a yummy snack.
And in each one of these holes is a button.
1, yummy.
That's how it knows, or, well, thinks, that you put the shape in. I'm going to put the shape 2 in, which is the heart.
Would you like some cookies?
It's supposed to say,
2, I love cookies.
I love cookies, which makes sense because it's the heart. I don't know if that's a coincidence or not, but it's kind of cool.
3,
There's 3, the triangle,
4.
4, the square, and then 5, the star.
Would you like some
I'm just going to push the button.
5?
And then there's a big button here that makes noises.
I love cookies. Yummy.
And then there's the shapes
Cookie
mode.
shape.
The song for this is, come on.
Shapes are in
You
my
can just tap the lid.
triangle, heart and star. There's a circle over there. Here's a square.
And in this mode,
Shapes are in my cookie jar.
it sings. I know. The big button does the same thing.
Yummy. I love cookies.
There's the circle, which I just push the button.
Circle. Yummy.
There's the heart.
Heart.
Now, come on.
Heart.
Come on.
Heart. I love cookies. Try. Shapes are in my cookie
Come on.
jar.
Triangle.
Triangle.
Say it.
There's a circle over the triangle.
Sometimes they get stuck. These things are old.
Square.
And then the star.
Star.
Star. Okay. Next toy is the VTech Rhyme and Discover book, or as I used to call it, the Ring Around the Rosie book, because when I turned it on, or when you turn it on,
Let's read and sing together.
And I promise this is not low battery, this is just low pitched. This is definitely not low battery. It's very low pitched though. So this is a book. Has a little round thing that you can slide on the front of it. Except it doesn't work. It has a sheep button, which plays Mary Had a Little Lamb. Or does this. Oh, it doesn't until the song is finished. There's the cat button. Which plays Hey Diddle Diddle. And the dog. You have to press it really hard.
Detail. 10 minutes. 48 seconds. Adjustable.
Shut up, voiceover. And then there's the button, the other button next to the switch. And now if I open the book, oh my god, I might have to put this on the floor. Had it on my lap. Plays Twinkle Twinkle. And if I hit the button, oh my god. Now if I hit the sheep. But then what's cool is I can press the button next to the switch. Oh, come on. Oh, this is the cool part. So, the animals can actually sing. It's kind of silly, but kind of cool too. Now if I push the button, no? There we go. This can play other songs. Except it can't when the book isn't working well. Now if I hit the cat, plays Hey Diddle Diddle. And if I hit the cat again, I'm gonna hit the button to interrupt it. Now if I hit the cat, if I hit the cat button, this happens. It sings Hey Diddle Diddle very slowly, which is weird. Now if I flip to the last page,
it's time for a rhyme. 3 little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry.
now if I hit the dog, or like press the dog button really hard, I can't hit it.
Sing along.
There we go.
There was a farmer
It plays
had a
bingo.
dog and Bingo was his name. Oh.
And if I press it again, oh, come on. There we go.
Listen to the dog sing.
The dog sings bingo. That's a little bit weird. And when I close it,
The end.
makes what sounds like a Windows noise and says the end. Alright, so that's the Rhyme and Discover or Ring Around the Rosie book.
Duration. Waveforms. Current. Rewind. Click. Pause.
Now I'm going to pause it because I need to put batteries in the next toy. Next toy is the VTech Lil Smart Flip for Phonics laptop, I think that's what it's called. It's a really old one. I mean, you can tell just when I turn it on. Ugh. So, this has a bunch of different modes. I'm not going to go through them all. But basically, oh, come on.
Press a button.
There's all the letters.
A, B, C, D,
It just says the letter and makes the noise.
E, F, G, H, I,
That used to be my favorite. I don't know why.
J, K, L, M.
Next one
What letter comes after N?
just says what letter comes before or after.
N comes after the letter M. Try again. O, good job. O comes after the letter N.
Next.
Press a button. The letter A says A and A.
It just says the names of letters.
Press a button.
Oh, there's... I wanted to see what these other two buttons did next to the on-off buttons, but they just repeat
A button.
the same thing. But what's kind of cool is you can actually use the mode switch. No! There we go. And you can also do this.
Hat. Follow the letter to play a song.
Follow the letters to play a song. And this one it's on music mode now. And I can actually play any note from here to here. So, oh, and Z sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. If you press the buttons next to the on and off buttons here, it plays the two songs.
Follow the letter to play a
Oh, that's
song.
just a repeat button, I guess. Sounds awful. And at the top left of it, there is a little book. And at the last page of the book, it actually has the alphabet in Braille, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's
Follow the letter
the
to play a song.
laptop thing, the VTech Lil Smart laptop.
Successful. Pause. Button.
Now I'll put the batteries in the next thing. Pause the recording. The next one is the Leapfrog counting train. It's this train that has numbers on the side. You can tell it's very old because it goes... because the buttons creak. And then inside the train... also on the side is a music note button And inside the train are 4 characters: Leapfrog, Casey Cat, Della Duck, and Dan Dog. And then there's a switch with 4 modes right below the numbers. Oh, also a volume switch on the side,
Let's play.
Touch a number or a friend.
which is terrible, which sounds terrible.
2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
That would be funny if it said 1, 1, but it doesn't.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 9, 10,
Yeah.
8.
I'm not even gonna.
2, 3,
The
4,
music note button
5,
does 2 things.
We are riding on the choo-choo as we learn to count to 10.
They sing this silly little song, and if you press it again, oh my god, that's so loud, I'm gonna turn the volume switch down. Doesn't exactly play the whole song, which is weird.
Let's go.
Now I'm gonna press the characters.
Hi, I'm Leap. I love the saxophone.
A lot of the old Leapfrog toys use these instrument sounds.
Hey, I'm Casey. I love the guitar. Hello, my name is Della. I love the flute.
Howdy, I'm Dan. I love the drum.
Now the second mode is games.
Let's play the music game.
Oh wait, no.
7. Leap, Casey, Della, and Dan have their own special game. Touch a friend.
I've got a great counting game. Let's play.
Touch a number, and then we'll count.
I'm gonna hit 10.
10. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I've got a great counting game. Hey, counting backwards.
Doesn't he
is
know it's
silly.
not
Let's
great,
go.
like at all?
Touch a number, and then we'll count.
I'm gonna hit
Backwards.
1,
Number 1.
count backwards.
Let's count
I
backwards.
don't know why it says number 1 instead of just
10,
1.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Counting backwards is silly. Hello. The
Now
skipping
Della
game
has the
is
skipping
fun.
game.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8.
Hooray!
Let's play again.
The
No.
skipping
Howdy.
And Dan's game.
The numbers quiz game. I'm thinking of a number. Dan's number is bigger than 4 and is smaller than 8. Guess what it is?
So what's weird about this is it's never
Number
like
I'm thinking of is
the number right next to the highest one, or the number like right below the highest, or right above the lowest. It's always the one in the middle. So if it's between 4 and 8, it's always going to be 6,
6. Well
which is
done.
pretty stupid.
Let's play again.
Now the music mode.
Let's play the music game. I've got 6. Now touch the number 6.
So basically they just tell you to push a number and it plays a song.
6.
Let's play.
Plays Old MacDonald. Do 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 do.
I've got 5. Now touch 5.
Let's play.
Okay, and the last one is the math mode.
Let's play the math game. Touch a number. 1.
Yay!
Let's play the add-on game. I've got 1. If you gave me 1, how many would I have? 2.
Great job!
1 plus 1 makes 2. Let's play again. 10.
Hooray!
Let's play the takeaway game. I've got 10. If I gave away 2, 8.
Great job!
10. Take away 2 makes 8. Let's play again.
No. So that's the counting train. 3 more toys left in this video.
Fast forward. Pause.
The next toy is the Leapfrog Alphabet Radio. Ugh, that was terrible.
Hi!
It's this radio thing with 3 buttons on each side, 3 on the left, 3 on the right, and there's a book. There's pages, and then a big button in the middle, and a handle at the top so you can carry it around. Oh, also a switch at the bottom right with a low volume and a high volume.
Hi, DJ Leap here. Welcome to K-Frog, your phonics radio station. Press a button to hear a song. Press the Leapfrog button to play Find That Letter, the alphabet song.
Oh, I'm gonna flip the page.
A, the letter A.
So,
says
it sings
and
really stupid songs about the letters.
A is here to stay. In apple, yippee-yay. The letter A is here to stay. In apple, yay. The
I don't
letter
even
A
like these.
says
I'm just gonna go to the last page and show you the
the alphabet
other
song.
songs. So there's the alphabet song.
A, B, C, D, E,
And actually, there's 2 different versions of this toy that have 2 different versions of the alphabet song.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Then there's
Old
Old MacDonald, which is played really badly.
This old man.
There's This Old Man,
Row,
and Row, Row, Row Your Boat, which has a bunch of clicking.
Let's play Find
And now if you hit
That
the big button in the middle, it's
I'll
Find That
sing
Letter.
And you press the matching letter button. Try to find it before the song.
Ah, come on. I'm just gonna flip to a random page and
Let's
Play the
Find
thing.
That Letter. Here we go.
basically before the thing ends, it's the bottom right. Always the fiddle dee dee one is always the bottom
Really
right.
know your letters. Press the lead. Let's play.
Press it
Find
again
That
to
Letter.
play again.
Here we go.
The letter H really swings.
That's always
H,
middle left,
you found
the really
that
swings
letter.
one.
You're a great player. Let's play Find That Letter. Here we go. The letter I is what you found.
The what you found is
I.
always-
You found that letter.
That's
You're
always
today's
the
big
bottom
winner.
left.
Let's play Find That Letter. Here we go. The letter G is here to
The here to say is
G,
top
you
left.
found that letter.
Always.
You are the grand prize winner. Let's play Find That Letter. Here we go. K is a letter.
Is a letter. That's always
Hey,
middle
you
right.
found that letter. You're
And
today's
finally-
big let's play Find That Letter. Here we go.
There's a J word here to meet.
Here to meet you is top right.
Jay, you found that letter. You really know your letters. Press the
Really
lead
weird
button to play Let's
applause
Play
sound.
Find That Letter.
And then it goes back to, oh,
Hi.
never mind.
Jay Leap.
And another weird thing about this toy is if you hold down the top left and the middle button but while turning it on, you get this. This beep. And when you press the bottom right, it does this static. And if you push bottom right again, and then again,
In
it does
D.
what I think is a test mode,
D.
Elephant.
like in an electronic game.
Fiddle-dee-dee, fiddle-dee-day, the letter has something to
That's so weird. The letter
Fiddle-dee-dee,
blank.
fiddle-dee-day, hear the in today.
Hear the in today. Okay? Whatever. Okay, I saved the best two for last. The next toy is VTech Strum and Jam Kid Band, I think. I think that's what it's called. Or Kitty Band or something. It's shaped like a guitar. There are guitar strings, a set of guitar strings that you move back and forth. A piano keyboard next to the guitar strings on one side of the guitar. On the other side is a kind of touch screen like thing with like buttons that look like touch screen buttons and feel like a touch screen, meaning it's really hard to tell where they are. On the neck there is two star buttons, one bigger than the other, and then a cymbal. And there's these things you can squeeze to lift up the neck and make the cymbal come down so you can. Oh, and then on the other set of strings there's a drum, and if you flip that thing over, there's a bar that makes it go wow, wow, wow. So now I'm going to turn this thing on.
Let's jam.
It's really loud.
Rock.
I don't know if I can.
Play
I don't know
any
how to
what
turn this
jazz.
thing down.
When we went down. Rock. Freestyle.
So freestyle,
Play
you can
any way you like.
you can play the drum. And then you can do the whammy bar. Sometimes it doesn't work. Oh, come on. Whatever. The smaller star button goes. And the bigger one goes. And the cymbal goes. The keyboard goes. And the guitar is the most interesting part. When you strum it,
Freestyle.
oh come on, you get songs. If you strum it fast enough, you can actually speed it up. Oh, come on. I'm trying to get it to speed up, but I can't. So there's 3 sets of songs. There's
Hip hop. Rock.
rock.
In the big rock candy mountains, there's a land that's fair and bright, where the handouts grow.
It doesn't do anything
and you sleep
other than
out
sing
every
and
night,
drums.
where the bars
But then when I strum the guitar,
and the sun shines every day.
and of course I can.
So I'm bound to go where there ain't no snow, where the rain don't fall and the wind don't blow, in the big rock candy mountains. In the big rock candy mountains, there's a land that's fair and bright, where the handouts grow on bushes.
But when I strum the guitar,
Every night, where the boxcars are all empty and the sun shines every day. So I'm bound to go where there ain't no snow, where the rain don't fall and the wind don't
I could
blow, in
speed
the
it up
big
for just a
rock
second.
candy in the big rock candy mountains, there's a land that's fair and bright, where the handouts grow on bushes, and you sleep out every night, where the boxcars are all empty, and the sun shines every
And then when I hit it
day.
again,
Oh, I'm bound to go
when I push the
where
button
there ain't
again, plays another song. but then it's still boring without the guitar, so when I strum it, it starts playing with the guitar, and
Hip-hop.
hip-hop and jazz are the same thing. And just like the other songs, you can speed it up. But it doesn't change the pitch. That's only the ones with words. That's only the ones with singing. And it's funny when it does that. And same with jazz. I can't do it. Oh, sped up for just a second, but it didn't change pitch.
Went downtown for to see my sound. Sing Holly Wally Doodle all the day. My Sally am a funky gal. Sing Holly Wally Doodle all the day. Fare thee well, fare thee well, fare thee well, my fairy day. On to Louisiana for to see
Oh,
my
it just
Louisiana
sped up
day.
for a second
Holly
and
Wally
did
Doodle
change
all the
pitch.
day.
So yeah, it's the only the ones where with singing, which is kind of weird. And I can still do the cymbal and the keyboard, and the whammy bar still doesn't work. All the other buttons do the same stuff. Oh, it's back in freestyle. That must be why. So yeah, that's the Strum and Jam Kitty Band, I think.
See you soon.
And saving the best for last, it's the B-Toys Cat Keyboard. Actually, this is the older version of the B-Toys Cat Keyboard because it has the glitch. Listen. It has the glitch with the piano and the organ not matching the bell. See? There's that glitch. It played the piano and bell sounds at the same time. Not matching the bell and the banjo. But the main thing about this toy is the cat. What the? That was weird. I'm pressing the same key, but then when I push it faster, it plays a different note. See, that's so weird. Okay, anyways, there are 5 beats. And you can speed them up really, really fast and slow them down. And there's also a record button. And a play button. Except I had it set to really fast, so it played really fast. And there's also songs. And you can change it. You can change the instrument. There's piano, bell, cat, banjo. Oh, that's weird. And organ, which actually sounds different from the organ that you play. And the same with the piano. I don't know why you can't play that version of the piano sound, but I try to play along. It's out of tune. So that's what the glitch is in this older version. Same with the organ. You can't play that. I'm just gonna hit stop. And then the button shaped like a cat's head plays cat themed songs. And when I turn the pitch down, you can turn the pitch and speed up and down. So I can turn it way up or turn it all the way down. So they never meet. Alright, so that was the cat keyboard. And that was the last of the toys that I'm showing you in this video. But I actually have even more electronic toys that I kept that I had at my grandparents' house. So when I go there, which actually will be sometime this week, I am going to make a part 2. So look forward to that. And until then, bye.